Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite friends to a game on Roblox application. So first of all, of course, if you do have the Roblox application on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't, you will need to go and download this through any browser you could be possibly using. So just go, open the browser, type roblox.com and hit the enter button. And then you'll need to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can create one. You must be above 13 years old if you want to create one, of course. And once you created your account or log into your account, I advise you to hard to verify your email. So because that will actually give you the permission of resetting your password if you get hacked or if you forgot your password. And they will even give you the not the a free item, and of course who doesn't love a free item, right? So of course when you actually do that, just go and download it from the website, and of course you will need to wait the download. Once it's downloaded to your PC, install it and run it. So of course when you do that and when you run it, you'll need to log in again into your account and you'll find yourself here at this main or as this home screen. So of course from here you will find different games, maybe not like me, depending on what you recently played or what Roblox suggested to you. So of course, to send an invite or to your friend, you must join a game first of all, because you cannot like send an invite to a friend and you are not in a game. So make sure first of all, like as an example, let's just join this game, and we will need to wait until we join, and then we will be able to invite them. So of course then you'll need to just to click on the invite button. Not all the games allow you to invite your friends, be aware of that. And of course, so have them join your server. So of course there is another option. If the game does not allow you to invite your friends, make sure if, let's say as an example, you are a friend with someone. Let me just leave this game now. And if you are a friend with someone, just go to his name right here. Let's say as an example, that is your friend. Just click on him. If he's playing a game, I'll have an option to join the same game as he's playing. So make sure to tell him that, and you will be like inviting him. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.